Now we are discussing how to open a file in the Google Colab, how to do our work. In the Google, I have searched Google Colab. Open this Google Colab. Take the new notebook. This is the new notebook in which we can write our data. Example, if I write what is some a is equal to 5 plus 6. This is executed. Now if I print what is a value is 11. Okay, we will use the shift enter to execute this line. If I simply enter a second line of code, we can write the second line of code. If we want to import any files, then please click on these files, then you can drag the files you wanted to import. Example, now I am interested in importing this file. So we are importing this file, COVID-19 clean complete.csv. We are importing a CSV file. When it is completed, importing is completed, you can observe here the file COVID-19 clean complete.csv. The file already is there in the library. Whenever you want to get the data, you can use this site kaggle.com. Go to the kaggle.com and search on data. A huge amount of data sets are there. If you search COVID, you will find huge amount of data sets. After that, download the data, and the data is available in zip file. You extract that zip file, and to add that data to our present Google Colab, simply drag that data which is in CSV form. After dragging, you drop here, that data will be imported. This is how we open the Google Colab, and how we take the new notebook. This is new notebook, and how we import the data. When we are working, we want to import the data, we will use this Kaggle. From that, we have downloaded the data and we have imported, and we can share this code if you want. If you can share this notebook with others also.